and we are in front of Burstner booth checking the new Ford Transit Lineo camper van. Is the Lineo C550 version. So the base price is just looking right there, 63.770, and with the final price of 76,249, 170 horses of power, and we shall go inside. So all these transit vehicles are really high, and if you have to check, I'm 185 centimeters tall, a lot of headroom. Also standard Ford Transit interior with the automatic transmission, table with the slide out, standard Dometic 2-burner stove, a lot of cabins there, and also a nicely designed bathroom with Tetford cassette toilet, shower and sink unit, pretty much a lot of storage inside. The cabin space for all your belongings. Looks like a smaller variant of that. And we are going back to actually check bed, actual bed size, and you can understand more about this. We are looking at 1.243 from this side, and from the back we are looking at around 1.243, almost the same size. And from the widest part we are looking at 1.835 of actual space to sleep. Garage part, the widest 0.759, and the actual garage is long 1.1 meter. Not bad. We are looking at a camper van of 5.5 meters. The Burstner Lineo C550.